legal question, my lord, that
All right,
it is
you
maintainable.
test my order and
My lord,
you
one
take
time,
it up before the division.
my lord, this
I
petitioner
am
is a
holding-
very poor lady, my lord, asking
I am
this
holding-
petitioner now to go before another forum.
The question is not a poor lady or a poor person. Question is regarding maintainability of petitions. Frivolous petitions being filed in the court.
My lord, it's a very small issue, my lord. That is for payment of interest for inordinate delay in making the payment of FD amount, my lord. What happened, my lord?
You come here.
My lord, it was, my lord, the
Go to
principal.
Ombudsman.
That has been done. They have directed. That is on record. But still, they never paid, my lord.
Then there is now
My lord, this is my second out
one
of
extra
it.
forum which has been prepared.
Every
by the
forum was,
RBI.
my lord,
If you see in the daily newspapers,
My lord.
if you bother to read that first page, there is they have been notifying that whoever is aggrieved of any of the actions taken by any of the bank,
My lord,
you have a portal available for filing of a
that
direct
has been
complaint
done,
to
my lord. It is on.
RBI.
It is on record, my lord. Pursuant to the intervention of this honorable court, my lord, that is annexure 7-8, my lord, the principal amount they have paid, my lord. This had tied over matter for 23 years, and due to intervention of this court, they paid the principal amount, but they refused to pay the interest. Earlier, they said that my FD is not available with.
The question is regarding maintainability of the writ petition. If we lay down such a law, then we are opening doors to petitions like this.
My lord, may see
In each
annexure
case,
five.
we will be entertaining
I
here.
had approached the banking ombudsman, public grievance redressal authority. They all directed to make the payment, but they never did so.
Then you file a suit.
My lord, and my lord,
Money suit.
my lord, the main issue has been resolved. They have paid the principal amount due to
Against the
intervention
bank,
of this
civil
honorable
suits
court.
can be filed. There is no, you can
My
file
lord,
money.
my humble request is that, my lord,
Writ petition
extreme
does not lie. Writ petition for seeking interest on bank accounts does not lie. We are very clear about it. You show any law, any
I will show, man.
petition has been ever maintained.
I will show, my lord.
No, you have to bring it today. I don't.
Because my earlier it was entertained by this honorable court itself, my lord. That is on record, my lord.
Sure.
Annexure 8, my lord. Page 31. Due to pursuant to the direction of this court, they paid the annexure 8, my lord. It was entertained by the division bench of this honorable court, my lord. And my lord, the division bench was of specific opinion that I must be paid interest. And in haste, they paid the principal amount. And they never paid the interest. For 22 years, they refused to make the payment. At first, they said that they do not have the copy of the FD receipt, my lord. But when I brought out record, my lord, this order of 3/2/2022 was passed, my lord.
This is at least because the bank has given a statement. It's not an entity, it's a consent order.
But my humble submission is, my lord, for my lord's consideration, my lord, it was accepted by them. They have paid the principal amount. Only issue is that with interest,
you test my order. You test my order before the division bench.
My lord, I'll
the petitioner.
My lord, I'll assist on the point of legal question, my lord, that
all right,
it is maintainable.
You test my order and
my lord,
you
one
take
time,
it up before the division.
my lord, this petitioner is a very poor lady, my lord, asking this petitioner now to go before another forum.
The question is not a poor lady or a poor person. Question is regarding maintainability of petitions. Frivolous petitions being filed in the court. Because 25 rupees is nothing. यहाँ 25 ही लगते हैं ना आपकी कोर्ट फीस फॉर फाइलिंग ऑफ अ पिटीशन कितना लग रहा है 125 that is very easy for a money suit you'll have to pay the ad valorem very easy so we start entertaining all writ petitions.
Well, if the matter would have been different if I have not approached the other forum. I had approached, that is on record, my lord.
All right. Nikki, the petitioner has come again before this court, filing a writ petition praying for issuance of a writ commanding the respondent bank to pay interest at the rate of 12% per annum for inordinate delay in releasing the amount of the FD registered in the name of petitioner and her husband, which got matured on 16/12/2000. It appears that in the earlier writ petition, the bank, the counsel appearing for the bank consented to release the amounts, and a direction was issued by this court accordingly as under. However, this court finds that the question regarding maintainability of the writ petition itself was not gone into. Para. Individuals who have deposited any amount in any of the banks cannot be a subject matter of writ jurisdiction. The claim which the petitioner is raising is a simple claim of money to be recovered from the respondent bank, for which she has to approach the civil court by filing of a money suit. The writ jurisdiction is meant exclusively for vindication of a fundamental right taken away by the respondents or any legal right flowing from any statute. So far as consumers of a bank are concerned, they have a separate remedy available to them in law. Writ petition is found to be wholly frivolous, is accordingly dismissed.